I welcome everyone to the session Number System. I am Santosh from KCS Education. Number System. The 10 digits in Hindu-Arabic system are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. A numeral is a number denoted by a group of digits. So, if you have to find the face value of a digit in a numeral, it is just the value itself. For example, consider the number 1357. The face value of 3 in this number is 3 and face value of 5 is 5. So in example, you will be asked to find the face value of a digit in a numeral. Then you have to locate the face value of a digit as its own value. So face value of 1 is 1, face value of 3 is 3, face value of 5 is 5 and face value of 7 is 7. Next you will be asked to find the place value of a digit. So the place value of a unit digit is unit digit into 1. So for example, in the number 1357, place value of unit digit is unit digit into 1, that is 7 into 1, that is 7. Place value of tens digit is tens digit into 10, that is 5 into 10, that is 50. Then place value of hundreds digit is hundreds digit into 100, that is 3 into 100, that is 300. Type of number. Natural number. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Whole number includes 0. Integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. So these can be classified as positive integers, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Non-negative integers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Then we have got even numbers. Then those numbers that are divisible by 2 are even numbers. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. are even numbers. And if it is not divisible by 10, then it is an odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are odd numbers. Prime numbers are natural numbers with exactly two factors. So we know the natural numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then if any of this number is there and it has got only two factors, namely itself and 1, then the number is said to be a prime number. So we have listed the prime numbers less than 100 here. So the prime numbers less than 100 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. So say for example 23 is there. You have to check whether it is a prime number. Then you have to find the factors of 23. The factors of 23 are 1 and 23. That is 23 has exactly two factors, namely itself and 1. So 23 is a prime number. The number is given and you have to find the whether it is prime or not. We have to go for primality test. Primality test is where the number will be given and you will be asked to find whether the number is prime number. Then you have to take all the primes less than the square root of the given number. Say for example, 519 is there. We have to find whether 519 is a prime number. Then you have to take all the primes less than square root of 519. So we have to know what the square root of 519 is, or where it lies between. Say for example 519, the square root of 519 lies between 22 and 23, because 22 square is 484, that is less than 519. Then the next natural number 23 square is 529. So the square root of 519 lies between square root of 590 lies between 22 square and 22 and 23. So we have to list all the prime numbers that is less than the square root of 519. So we get the square numbers as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So we have to test whether 519 is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So if you uh, come to a conclusion that this none of the number divide 519, then 519 is a prime number. Next we have got composite numbers and co-primes. Those numbers that are not prime, we have to have counting numbers, that is natural numbers. Then we have to check whether the number is not prime. So if it is not prime, it can be a composite number. One more thing to test for a composite number is number of factors. A composite number has more than two factors. That is the number itself, 1, and it will have some more factors also. Say for example 4. 4 has factors 1 and 4. Also it has factors 2. 2 divides 4. So 4 is a composite number. Then we have got 6, 8, 9, 10 and so many composite numbers. We'll have another example 6. 6 has a number of factors, namely 1, 2, 3 and 6. So it has got 4 factors. 6 is a composite number. These are the composite numbers that are less than 50. So 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. All these numbers given here are composite numbers. It is up to 50. The only number that is neither prime nor composite is 1. And then we have got a concept called co-primes. So it will be two numbers and we have to find whether they are co-primes. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if their HCF or like HCF is 1. So we have uh, three pairs of co-primes given here 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9, 11. Say for example if 9, 11 is there. First we have to find the factors of each number. So we have got factors of 9 and we have got factors of 11. Then you find the HCF. So the HCF, if it is just 1, then these two numbers are co-primes. 9 and 11 are co-primes because there is no common factors other than 1. So perfect numbers. So a number will be given and you will be asked to find whether the number is a perfect number. Then what you have to do is you have to find the factors of the number and from the factors you have to eliminate the number itself and you have to take the rest of the factors and you have to add all these factors and you have to see the result of this summation, and if the result of the summation adds up to the value of the given number, then the number is said to be a perfect number. With an example, you can see 6. 6 has factors 1, 2, 3 and 6. You have to eliminate the factor itself, that is 6, and taking other factors 1, 2 and 3, you have to sum the factors 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives 6. So 6 is a perfect number. Then we have got rational numbers. If the number can be expressed in the form of p by q, then the number is called as a rational number. We have to have the p and q as integers, and q should not be 0. Then the number p by q is a rational number. See, here in the example you can see p and q. Say for 1 and 6 are integers, 3 and 4 are integers. So we have 1 by 6 as a rational number, minus 3 by 4 negative number. Still, it is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. It can be expressed as 0 by 1 or 0 by 2 or anything like that. So 6, 5, 2 by 3, etc. are rational numbers. Irrational numbers. Numbers which when expressed in decimal would be non-terminating or non-repeating form are called irrational numbers. So irrational numbers are decimal numbers but without termination. So it is non-terminating or it doesn't have any repeating form. That is non-repeating form. Some of the irrational numbers are root 3, root 7, pi, e, that is exponent, etc. The next session we will be seeing about divisibility test. Thank you.